Step number 5 in creating machine learning models is create the model. This step involves choosing algorithm that best fit our project. And there are many algorithms in machine learning. For example, random forest, the support vector machine, logistic regression, and linear regression. So how to choose the algorithm that fit your project? Well, to choose the right algorithm depends on the type of project you are trying to solve. Like here, if your project is a regression project, I mean like it has a continuous outcome. If you want to predict like the prices of house or the quality of wine, or any project that has like unlimited amount of outcomes. In this case, we are going to use one of these algorithms, the linear regression, or the support vector machine, or the random forest. And maybe all these algorithms work for all type of project, but they are fit the regression the most. The other type of project is a classification. Here, when you are trying to predict a binary value, like you are trying to predict one thing out of two things, maybe the outcome will be a dog or it will be a cat, it will be pass, it will be fail, good or bad, something like this. In this case, we are going to use one of these algorithms, the logistic regression, the decision tree, and random forest. And in some cases where you are not sure which algorithm to choose, you can start by trying a few different algorithms and compare their performances in the data. So let's go to Google Colab and choose good algorithm for our project. So now we are going to choose algorithm for our project. And we are going to import the algorithm from a Python library, which is scikit-learn. Okay, but first we need to check the type of our project. As you see here, according to the dataset, we are trying to predict the quality of the wine, and it's a continuous value. It has like unlimited amount of values, maybe different values, can be 5, 6, 1, whatever. So it's a regression type, and I'm going to use the random forest algorithm to predict the value. So as I told you before, random forest work for both type of projects like regression and classification and whatever. So let's import our algorithm from here, from scikit-learn, from sklearn.ensemble, import random forest classifier. Random forest classifier. Very good. Now let's create a variable. Click on here, then code to create a code cell, and we are going to create a variable. Let's call it model equals. Now we need to call our algorithm. We import it from scikit-learn, but now we need to call it. So you just want to copy it, copy the algorithm from here, Control C to copy it, then paste it here with opening close parentheses. Okay, very good. Now let's run it. Just click here to run the code. Very good. Now we've created our model. So the next step, we are going to train the model with our dataset.